Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, we're recording like midday right now, and we are going to be diving into, man, Undefeated finally decided to get me my pair of Undefeated Jordan 4s. I know they were pretty backed up, but you guys can see what we got right here, the Undefeated Air Jordan 4. Today, we're going to be discussing this pair, just doing a little unboxing for it. Let me not drop the shoe. And yeah, really just showing everything that comes with these. Y'all can see they got removable patches. We got the Nike Air on the back, some other really cool details. We'll get into it all. There's also some stuff with the box, like a card, things like that. So yeah, we'll just dive into, well, everything we got with the Undefeated Jordan 4, and I hope you guys will enjoy. If you guys do want more content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below, and let me know if you guys did cop this sneaker recently, and if it's one, did you add it to your collection, or did you flip it? Just let me know in the comments. I'm interested to hear. And also, one more thing I want to say is make sure you guys check out my Whatnot Lives down below and my Instagrams. Both those are down below in the pinned comment if you want to just see some of the stuff I post on my IG, or if you want to again check out the Whatnot Lives for the giveaways. We do almost every single stream. We do like free Jordans, free tees, we do like some Amazon gift card giveaways, along with other stuff like that. So if that's the type of thing that you're into, I hope to see you guys there down below in that pinned comment. But let's get started here on discussing the Undefeated Jordan 4. Keep in mind, these are slick in hand. Let's go. Alright, so getting into the Undefeated Jordan 4, we will get into the sneaker in a second, but I'm going to show you all the box and everything we got with these first. So I'm going to set the shoe right there. These are so clean. I'm very, very happy I hit my size. I might end up keeping these. We will see, kind of like the brick by brick. I might just keep them all nice for a bit and then eventually tow them. But you guys can see what we got right here. As you guys can see, the box right there, it says 2025, and for, I believe that is 20 years, if I'm correct. May be wrong on that, but that's what I assume the 20 and the Undefeated symbol means right there. And you guys can also see the front of the size tag right there. Take a good look at that right there. Boom. Another detail that we have as well on the inside of the box. I'm going to show y'all this real quick. You guys can see the Undefeated wrapping paper. I kind of bunched it up, so that's my bad, but we have the Undefeated wrapping paper, and we also have a card that comes with these. So you guys can see this is the La Brea storefront, if I'm correct. Yeah, I think it is. As you guys can see, since 2002. So that's what we got on the front of the card right there. Hopefully that's focusing. And then on the back of the card right there, that is what we have for the Undefeated Air Jordan 4. So very, very nice. Yeah, that's all showing good. And that's pretty much what we have in the box right there. There's not too much more. But getting into the actual shoe, I'm going to set the box where I set the shoes. Perfect. Just switch it out right there. And taking a look at these, man. Very, very nice colorway in hand. You guys can see we got kind of like that olive green almost to it. I don't want to call it a military green, but more of like kind of, again, that dark olive colorway. You really notice it when you get these in hand. You guys can also see back here by the heel what we got. As you guys can see, take a look. You all can see the Nike Air symbol right there back by the heel. Same olive green going around it. All black logo look. I like that. I think it fits. You can see the midsole as well, kind of that white look. It's not like cream or anything. When you get these in hand, you'll see. Well, you probably already have yours in hand. I got mine super late, but what was I gonna say? Yeah, you can see it's kind of more of a white look. It's not like cream or anything. When you look at that right there. And then of course everything we got up here, kind of an all black look. You look at the soles, fire look here as well. This goes with what we got in the tongue tag. I will show you all that in a sec. But you can see kind of that orange look right there, all black mainly on the soles, but again, that goes with what we have on the heel right here and the tongue tag. You guys can see the removable patches right there in that orange and black look. So that is the same thing that again we have on the soles, an orange and black look. So those both go together. Now taking a look at these, I think we do have some extra laces. I'm seeing something that tells me we have extra laces. If not extra laces, what is this? Oh, this is a tag. Hold on, we got a tag with these. My bad. I don't know how. I almost forgot about that. That's what's tucked into the shoe, but I'll show y'all everything else in a sec. Y'all can see the Undefeated and Nike tag though right there. That is sick. Or Undefeated and Jordan tag. As the front of it. The back of it is the same. So same on both sides. Just keep that in mind. But very, very nice and unique detail right there. I'm a fan of that. And then when you also take a look, keep in mind at these on the insoles, you all can see it's mainly, oh, we do have some extra laces. See, I knew it. I knew we had some extra laces. I was like, I saw something that told me that. These are the extra laces we got, an orange pair. Honestly, if I end up towing these, I'm going to give these a shot. I'm going to give these a shot. I feel like these could work. Hold up. Let me hold the pair right here. But take a look. Take a look. I feel like this may work. The orange laces may actually work really well with this pair. I don't know. I might be tripping right there. But y'all can see also what we got on the insoles of the sneaker. Again, that kind of orange and black look. Take a look. You can see Undefeated symbol right there. And then the Nike Air one right there. The Nike Air symbol, of course, is back here by the heel as well. But I thought it was cool to add an Undefeated's logo on the inside of that one. So another detail that lets you know it's a collab with Undefeated. And of course, again, I think these are fire. I think these could work. I think these could work. Maybe I'm tripping, but I think those may work well with them. But another detail we have as well, I want to show you guys right here, taking a look on the inside of the tongue tag right here. As you guys can see, the inside of this one, let me make sure I don't mess up the pair. All right, we'll just do this one at a time, right, so we keep these nice and neat. But you guys can see what it says right there on the inside of that one. It says undefeated right there on the inside of that tongue tag, if it's focusing a bit for me. So undefeated. And then what it says on the inside of this one, same thing. So it says undefeated on both the insides of the tongue tag. So just keep that in mind, guys, for this pair. But also looking again on the inside, kind of by the cage right here, you guys can see again that olive and green look on the inside of the sneaker. Same with this one, as you guys can see. That's the look that we got for these. So it's a very, very nice shoe all around. I think they're easy to wear. I like them with the tag too. You could wear them with them. You could take it off. It actually is not a tag that was gonna say it doesn't have like a chain, you know what I mean? It's like it's just kind of attached on by this plastic thing. Maybe it has one on like the inside of the shoe or something that I'm missing, but I'm not seeing it. So basically you can decide to wear it with the tag, or you can cut it off and put it in the box, or attach it with like a metal like ball chain type thing if that's something you would want to do. But overall, very nice sneaker in hand. I don't feel like you can go wrong with this pair. It's easy to wear. It's a simple colorway. And, of course, it is a collab with Undefeated. So people are getting their pairs in day by day. I think, again, these will continue to stay pretty hyped. But it is one that, again, as we continue to get further away from the release, people will forget about it, and they'll probably just stay about where they're at. These aren't going to spike up in price or anything, but it is the type of pair that would slowly go up in price over time, 100%. So that's what I think about the Undefeated Jordan 4s. Again, a super, super slick, easy to wear pair. Really like what we got with these. I think, again, it's just one that kind of stands out. Look at like every angle that I look at these, it's nice. Like, I'm not seeing anything that really throws me off with this shoe. It seems like a nice, easy to wear colorway. So I'm a fan of olive too, so you know you're gonna win me over with that. So that's what we got. Again, taking a look up close with these, but let's do some B-roll shots right now, because I want to show you all again what these look like without me talking over it. If you just want to see again some nice shots on them, then hey, I got you. We'll do that without, again, my voice over it. Unless y'all want a voice over it, let me know. We can do that in the future, but we'll just do that right now. Show y'all some B-roll shots, then we'll hop into the outro. So again, let me know what you guys think about this pair, and if you copped recently, or if it's one that you went out the way and paid resale on. Totally understand if you did that, because, well, now seeing these in hand, hey, these are nice. So let's do those B-roll shots right now. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much everything I can say about the Undefeated Jordan 4 right here. As you guys can see, a very nice, simple, easy to wear pair. I like this colorway in hand. I like the tag it comes with as well. Lots of unique details. The box too, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with the box. Again, another detail that's kind of stand out-ish from this collab. Unique box. Definitely don't see this kind of look with Jordan 4 boxes that often. So that's something. It reminds me of I think it's like a Jordan 12 or 13 with a similar box. I might be tripping, but it reminds me of something familiar that I've seen before. So I like that, but I thought it was interesting that they did that for Jordan 4s. You know, it's, you know, interesting to do that for this kind of collab. But hey, I don't mind it. It's nice. You can see they've actually been doing that with a couple Jordan 4s this year. The brick by bricks, these, changing up the box. Hey, keep doing that. So that's really what I think, again, about this pair up close and in hand. If you guys do want more content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Make sure you guys are staying tuned as well, because we are going to do a giveaway for the channel soon. I told y'all when we hit like 91K or 92K. I think we're almost there, or if we already did it, then I need to get started on that, so just stay tuned. But yeah, make sure you guys are staying here and let me know if this is a pair that you guys hit recently, because it's very, very nice in hand. I definitely, it wasn't one that I was, you know, going to go out the way and pay resale on, so I'm glad I didn't. But yeah, I mean, you know what I mean? It's just because mainly I hit retail for it, so I got lucky. I can definitely admit that. But again, nice pair in hand. Glad that I finally got mine. Let me know if you copped. And again, feel free to check out the One That Lives, my IGs. Any of that down below in the pinned comment if you guys want to. Your boy's a little bit tired right now. We're running on low sleep, but we got to go get some stuff done today. So hey, no complaints. We're going to go get it done. And, well, I'm just mainly curious to know if this is a pair you pay resale on, or if it's one that you got lucky and hit, you know, got a retail dub on. So it's pretty much what I can say about the Undefeated Jordan 4. Slick, easy to wear, nice pair in hand. Glad I got my size. I may end up telling these. We will see. Some tea. Thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next video tomorrow. Let me know if you guys like this pair right here, or if you haven't hit it, what are you doing with them? You just keeping them eyes? You towing them? let me know. All right, that's it, guys. Let me keep these upright. I'm T, and well, I will catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. Hopefully I see y'all then. Peace.